will call it at the end. Good luck. Hello, my Poke people. I'm Poke Lady K, and this is my Poke Retreat. March 17 was the release of the brand new legendary bird tins with Crown Zenith. We got our hands on one of each. Check these guys out. Okay, so we've got these beautiful bird tins. Galarian Articuno. Wow. Galarian Moltres, Galarian Zapdos. We're gonna open these up and then we're gonna take a look at those promos again because they are just too nice to pass up. We got that Dialga on our last Crown Zenith opening. Let's see if we can pull any more of those gold cards today. Alrighty guys, plastics off so we can see those beautiful promo cards. Here we have our Galarian Articuno to start us off with, Zapdos, and our Moltres. Okay, I've got all of those tins open. Let's take one last look of those promos. Look at those, so beautiful. Articuno, Moltres, Zapdos, all Galarian birds. We've got 15 packs in front of us, so we're gonna get opening. Friends and Sinnoh! And Snorlax. Ooh, Electivire! Check out that Magmortar in the background. So cool. Oh. And a Zamazenta Holo. Very nice. Executor, Reverse Holo, and Zerora. Radiant Chargebug! Zacian V-Star! Oh, well, we know we got a Galarian Gallery. Dunsparce! Yay! Look at that guy. Oh, it's a double. Mew! We got a Mew! Textured Energy! It's the dark one. We were hoping for the fighting, but this is awesome. Oh, Rayquaza. I'm gonna put these in front of the camera down here so we can see all the awesome pulls that we have done so far. And we're only 10 packs in. We still have 5 more to go. Calyrex! Very nice reverse holo rare. Charizard! Charizard! I haven't pulled him yet. Entei V. GG. And a Rotom zombie star! Guys, it's another double! That Entei is one of the top 10 cards in the Galarian Gallery right now for Crown Zenith. Last pack. I don't know if we need any magic on this. We've already got some beautiful cards and some awesome pulls. No! It's the reverse fighting energy. We were hoping for the holo. That's okay. We had some awesome pulls today. Can you believe this? I guess that's our journey for today, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.